Alrighty guys, welcome to the vlog. Today's journey isn't a journey, guys. We are gonna do a journey right here in our own kitchen. That is right, meals made under 10 minutes. Brought to you on this channel. And we are gonna do chicken tacos. So come on, hope you all enjoy. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Long time for a cooking video, guys. And my little helper here, Miss O.
Hi.
We are going to make chicken
Tacos.
That's right, chicken tacos, guys. And I'll leave the shopping list in the description below so that way you guys don't miss out on any key items to these chicken tacos. And are you ready? Because we're about to begin. Alrighty guys, for this proportion of the video, you are going to need a big skillet or a pot, a little pot for that cheese that's back there, and you're going to need 3 different bags of the grilled chicken. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, y'all, so now that I got you turned around and you're facing me, you are going to use 1 bag of the fajita chicken mix. You're also going to add 2 bags of the grilled chicken. Guys, the grilled chicken offsets the fajita chicken, so you don't get that real zesty stuff of a flavoring that you get when you eat a fajita, because you're making tacos, not fajitas. All right, so my next step, first step, number 1, you got your pans that I showed you earlier. We are going to add the extra virgin olive oil, guys. That is right. Just a little dab, enough to glaze the pan, just a little so that your chicken does not stick. That's all you need to do in this vlog. So here we go. And there you have it, guys. Just a little to spread onto the pan. Ooh, and glaze the pan around. That's all you're doing. And I like using the extra virgin olive oil. I'll be honest, it's a lot better and healthier for you if you're making a healthier meal. That's why I use the Kroger brand extra virgin olive oil. Next, now that that's all in the pan, ooh, itched my nose there, sorry. We are going to go ahead and cut these bad lads open. Scissors didn't want to cut there. I'll bring it down a little bit so you can see just what I'm doing. You might only be able to see my mouth, but at least you'll be able to see the pan. Guys, in this video, you are going to go ahead and, in this video, blooper! In this meal, you will dump the chicken 1 bag at a time, or all the bags. It's whatever you prefer. Into the pot. Now, it's okay if you got big pieces. It's okay if you have small pieces. It's all going to eat the same, guys. And having chicken tacos is so healthy for you. There we go. So now that that's all added in there, we are going to go ahead and turn your burner on medium, guys. Because you're not here to fry the food. You want to bring it to a warm temperature. So that way it's not cold and it don't look wet. So you're trying to cook it up just a little bit to give it that flavoring. You do not want to burn the food. So I cook mine in between a medium and a high in that in-between stage. So give me just a minute. Okay, so our next step is you're going to use a little bit of salt and pepper in on your chicken. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pour me in some salt or some pepper. I'm going to go behind and add a little bit of the salt. And guys, I like to add just a little bit of garlic pepper for that extra kick. Add to your liking, guys. Them 2 steps you can add to your liking. Now, while this is going ahead and simmering, you're going to open your can of mild cheese, guys, or whatever type of cheese that you all prefer. But mine, is mild. A little struggle there. I'm not as strong as I used to be. And all we're doing is going ahead and dumping it into a little pot here, and I will show you in just 1 second. This is a fast and easy meal to make. If you're a mom or a dad and it's your meal to cook and you are per se having to run off and get the kids to baseball, basketball, football, hockey, whatever it is it may be, this meal should only take 10-15 minutes tops, guys. All right, so I went ahead and poured out my jar. I added it into a little pot like so. We are going to go ahead and get this on the burner, but we are only going to set it on a medium to low temp because you do not want to burn your cheese, because your cheese is made to drizzle over those nachos to give it that little of good stuff. So give me just a minute, guys. Okay, now that we got it set onto a medium to low temp, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull that spoon out of there so your spoon doesn't get hot. Next, we're going to come back over here because you can hear the chicken sizzling just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and just come over and hit it with your device, whatever you're going to use to stir with. And guys, if you see that there's some big pieces of chicken in here and you want to add more for your family to enjoy, and you can go ahead and just give it a little pinch off with the spoon, and it cuts each individual big piece down into a slender small piece. So you have more to go around. Now guys, my family size right now is a 3. And I'm not having very much other meats per se to go with this. So if my son was home, I'd go ahead and ground up some hamburger meat to make full nachos, so you can have nachos and a chicken taco. But it's just me and my daughter, and I'm trying to start off a new year eating a little healthier and make you still get that full fulfillment of being full. So while this is cooking for a few minutes, and guys, I use Copper Chef. I love Copper Chef. It's got a non-stick resistant. It heats evenly throughout the pan. Yada, yada, yada. You know the drill. Just going to go ahead and chop that little big piece up. So I buy 3 bags. 3 bags of chicken. That should be plenty to feed all of us. And guys, if you want to take this a step further and actually make yourself chicken fajitas, all you got to do is add a bell pepper and onions. Guys, slice them up, give them a little saute on a regular pan, and voila, there you have chicken fajitas. So, but today we're just sticking to chicken tacos. You're going to be seeing a lot of meals come out of the kitchen this coming month, because this month is all about Valentine's Day. And what's not to love about cooking meals for your loved ones, guys? See, loved ones, Valentine's Day, it kind of goes hand in hand. So, while this is cooking, I will get back to you in just a few minutes. Alrighty guys, as you can tell by this stock pot, or this pot or whatever you want to call it, a skillet. It's cooking nice and good. Mmm, so good. It smells so amazing. You just want to kind of give it a stir so it doesn't burn, but it is cooking. Don't it look good, guys? So, while that is all going on, we are going to go ahead and give this cheese just a little stir. So we know that it's not burning on the ends. What you're trying to do is get a runny consistency of this so it spreads evenly across your chips. And say you have chicken and you have cheese, but you don't have the taco shells, but you have nacho chips, make some chicken nachos, guys. Why not? It all goes well. Okay, guys, so now that that is underway and that is cooking, we are going to go ahead, and that is almost done. We're going to add 1 packet of this taco seasoning just to kind of give it a little flavor. What I like to do, spread it evenly over the chicken. And then I like to just put a little bit of water in your bag so you don't have that extra dish to wash, guys. And if that wasn't enough, just add a little bit more. But first coat your chicken very well, trying to dissolve the ingredient. Okay, we're going to add just a little bit more and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I add about 1.5 bags to 1 packet. And I'm just going to let this cook for just a few minutes here. And all that does is give your chicken just a little bit of extra flavoring. All right, are you ready to see what it looks like? Because I know I am. Okay, guys, there you have it. That is what your chicken should look like. Now, we let it cook for about 3 minutes on a medium heat, and we should be good to go. And while that's going on, we are going to go ahead and we are going to stir our nacho cheese. That's right, because it's not your cheese. I know, I'm trying to be funny, and it ain't. Gradually, just stirring it around. All right, guys, give it a few minutes and we'll be right back. All right, guys, Livy's going to tell you exactly what all she puts on her chicken tacos.
I put lettuce, cheese, black olives, and then sour cream.
All right, Liv, set it down, have a taste, and let them all know what you think. All right, guys, there you have it. Miss O's dedicated approval with that thumbs up. All right, guys, there you have it. Your quick, easy, simple meal, under 10 minutes. And guys, Miss O, what do you think of it?
They're really good.
All right, and guys, they are really good. Very healthy for you if you're trying to look for healthier ways to eat. So guys, if you like it,
Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome videos.
Until next time, guys, thanks for watching and have a glorious day.
Bye.
Bye.